Oh, man.
He's squirting his water when they thrust it. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
What was that, like crap that came out?
Yeah, it's just like
poop shoot?
basically. That's all like the suction cups, like the moltings from the cups. They get that fish to go to the other side.
Oh, he got him. Oh, no way.
Cool?
Oh, it's inside of him. I just seen him swimming around inside of this little pouch thing.